Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jump-start your Dodge Durango safely. First, prioritize safety by gathering essential gear such as gloves and eye protection. Make sure both your Durango and the donor vehicle are completely turned off and in park with parking brakes engaged. Carefully position the donor vehicle close enough for the jumper cables to reach, but ensure the vehicles do not touch each other. Now, let's connect the positive cable. Take one red clamp and securely attach it to the positive terminal of your Durango's dead battery. This terminal is usually marked with a plus sign. Next, take the other red clamp and connect it to the positive terminal of the donor vehicle's working battery. Double-check that both red clamps are firmly attached to their respective positive terminals. For the negative connection, attach one black clamp to the negative terminal of the donor vehicle's battery. This terminal is typically marked with a minus sign. Then, connect the other black clamp to a clean, unpainted metal surface on your Dodge Durango's engine block or chassis, away from the battery. This grounding point helps prevent sparks near the dead battery, which can emit flammable gases. With all cables connected, start the donor vehicle and let its engine run for about 5 minutes to charge your Durango's battery. After this, try to start your Dodge Durango. Once it starts, keep both vehicles running for a few minutes. Finally, carefully disconnect the cables in the exact reverse order. First the black clamp from your Durango's ground, then the black clamp from the donor, followed by the red clamp from the donor, and finally, the red clamp from your Durango.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.